I run wheel production in China. So when I tell you some of the suppliers you're talking to shouldn't be trusted, understand that I'm not warning you of the country. I'm warning you of the people who make the rest of us look bad. Here are 5 signals that should slow you down in the order they usually show up. Red flag 1. They can't answer a technical question without checking. Ask what alloy the blank is. Ask what dimensional tolerance they hold and what runout they accept off the lathe. Our answers are 6061-T6 plus or minus 0.05 millimeters and runout under 1/100th of an inch. Anyone actually running the machines knows those numbers cold. If the reply comes back a day later and reads like it was copied from a website, you're talking to a middleman. Red flag 2. They won't get on video. Not a promotional factory tour, a live call right now, walking the floor while you ask where your specific order would sit. A real factory can do that on 10 minutes notice. If every request turns into "our workshop doesn't allow cameras," ask yourself whose workshop it actually is. Red flag 3. The price doesn't make sense. Forged wheels have a cost floor. There's a billet, there's press time, and there's a lot of hours on a CNC machine per wheel. When one quote lands dramatically under everyone else's, something got removed. Usually machining time, sometimes the forging itself. A cast wheel sold as forged is the oldest problem in this industry. Red flag 4. Certificates with someone else's name on them. Ask for the ISO or IATF 16949 document and read the company name and the certificate number. Verify it with the issuing body. Borrowed paperwork circulates constantly. It takes you 4 minutes to check. Red flag 5. They'll build your wheels without confirming a drawing. Before anything gets cut, you should be approving a spec sheet, bolt pattern, center bore, offset, load rating, and finish. If a supplier is ready to start production off a WhatsApp message and a photo, they're not going to take responsibility when the fitment is wrong. None of this requires you to be an engineer. It requires you to ask specific questions and watch how quickly a real answer comes back. If you want to test us on any of the 5, that's fine, that's the point. Visit FLEXIFORGEDWheel.com to request a quote.